Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Rankin County in central Mississippi, southeastern Hinds County in central Mississippi.
Oh, that's me.
Until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Right there.
At 3:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
And that was a glitch.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Just got back home
Expect
from
wind
school.
damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jackson around 3:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Richland around 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pearl around 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Forward around 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Brandon around 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is NOAA weather radio. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, southeastern Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, central Franklin County in southwestern Mississippi, until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Butte, or 19 miles northwest of Liberty, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Kirby around 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Butte around 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. New Hope around 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Union Church around 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pleasant Hill, Casabville, and McBride around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Medville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA weather. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 32, effective until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hinds, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, Warren, and Yazoo. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Just now starting to pour down.
May not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Double header. Ooh, I think I just saw lightning.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison Parish in northeastern Louisiana, central Richland Parish in northeastern
It's really starting to rain hard.
Parish in northeastern Louisiana until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:51 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jigger, or 7 miles southwest of Winsboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winsboro around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Crowville around 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bakers around 5:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Holly Ridge around 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Delhi around 5:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Warden, Waverly until around 5:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gilbert and Baskin. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number 31. Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, northwestern Lawrence County in south central Mississippi, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Summit, or 7 miles north of McComb, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Got 3 radars on alert right now.
Expect damage to roofs,
Jeez.
siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brookhaven, Enterprise, Sontag, Boomshido, and East Lincoln. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for central and south central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the